Okay, I'll have the escape vehicle ready. You don't know how much I wish I could have fucking clipped that! I just hear, whoa no, and then I see you ragdoll off the building. It's doing it for you too. Oh god, this game is so delightfully functional. In all the worst ways. Listen, I said functional because of the word's similarity to fungus.
Hey, maybe if I... Ah! Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, because my challenger is there. Or oppressor. I can't land this. Hold on. I'm gonna land it on the freeway. Hold on. Good enough. I don't know how to deploy. There we go.
That man is
Japanese
so...
guy, right?
Mm.
Ah! No. Oh my god, it's Alien from the new Prime. Ah, hold on. Why am I off my bike? Why is my bike covered in blood? Where all these corpses come from?
Was this the last one we needed to do?
This is the intro to an Internet Historian video.
No, we got a few more that need to be done.
I'm gonna park it in this little cutoff.
Oh.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
It's fine. Which means the game said... Because the game's mechanics is the game's mechanic. I'm gonna trust what the game says it is doing because the game knows what it did to it.
Gucci, my man.
We ain't Gucci, my man.
Bum bum.
Poached.
Yeah, you look like you should be singing Go West or YMCA. It's fun to stay at the...
Clip it, Control, do it!
No!
Aben's gonna deal with the front. Phylum kill.
You're goddamn right I'm
Got
gonna
it.
deal with the front.
Man, I'm glad Control wasn't here. He would have made fun of me for that.
Revolutionary. Sorry.
You almost shot a rocket into my ass.
Minimal interval, take off now. They've got our Hydra.
Aben's up.
Roger that. Zeta 206, down the jet.
What?
I accidentally landed on this car, but because it's armored, it's completely fucking fine. Oh,
I love the O.
the hell
That
away
can
from
only
me.
be good things. Is it the thing
I
you
didn't
posted
see the
earlier?
haircut before.
Oh.